When is the best time to buy a property in Nigeria? Now, I've gotten a lot of DMs, I've gotten a lot of questions from clients, from prospects, asking us when is the best time to buy a property in Nigeria. So I'll be telling you the three main times when you can buy a property in Nigeria. Firstly, it is during the pre-launch price. You all know that during the pre-launch price, the developer or the owner tends to reduce price so that they can create awareness about the property, so that a lot of people can key into that property as an early bird. Secondly, during distress sales, we all know that when someone is in distress, he tends to reduce price over whatever he wants to sell so as to get money to solve his problem. So buying property during the distress sale is best for an investor. So a lot of investors look out for those times when people are in distress and they want to sell off their properties and make a whole lot of profits. Thirdly, during celebrations or festive period, we all know that during festive period, a lot of companies, a lot of investors, they want to meet up with their sales target. So they want to sell off their properties just to meet up with their sales target. So now we are in October, entering December, and a lot of companies want to sell off their property so as to meet up with their sales target. And now is one of the best time to buy that real estate property. Now we currently have a property called CASTLEVIEW Estate, which is located at Owo, and this property is on a pre-launch sale of 4 million naira. So all you have to do today is to click or watch the video, my previous video, so as to get the information about CASTLEVIEW Estate. For more information and bookings, call Josh Consults today or follow us on any of our social media platforms at Josh Consults.